Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. Today we are going to see about how to use Machine Learning Toolbox in MATLAB. So for that, go to MATLAB, okay, and then go to Apps and comes to here Machine Learning and the Deep Learning tool set or apps. Here, first we are going to explain about classification learner. In this video, we are going to discuss about classification learner. For that, I'm going to click this. Once you click this one, then you will see this the classification learner window. For that, we need a data sets. Already we have data set here. Here is that we have X data, input data, and then we have D data. This example already we have that data set. Not to use this classification learner, right? So just you have to click new session and then from workspace. Okay. Just you click that from workspace. So here you have to provide data set variable, that will input variable. Here I'm going to provide that input variable is X data. Next I'm going to click from workspace. Here I'm going to provide that output, that mean target variable response D data, and then click here also we have that different validation scheme is there. Cross validation and the cross validation folds will be 5. You can change this detail here also. And I'm going to start the session. So now once you load the data set, in default it will be have decision tree. This is a decision tree. And here you see that there are 8 features. I'm going to train this decision tree. If we want different kind of model, right? Different kind of the machine learning tool, decision tree. Here it can see where the discriminant and analysis, logistic regression classification, Navy base classifier, support vector mission, nearest neighbor classifier, and kernel approximation classification, and then Ensemble classifier and the neural network classifier. Like whatever classifier you can select. First, I'm going to select this decision tree, and then I'm going to train the model. That means I'm going to train the data set. Once you start that train data set, we're going for training process. Here you will see that training process completed. You will see that accuracy is 100%. How we here you will see that red true class. True class is the predicted class data. This is a confusion matrix. You will get that, and then you can see that ROC. Okay, ROC curve for the trained or classification output. Here is that this output for our ROC curve, and then you can see that the scatter plot also. The scatter plot already you see that one, and then you can see that parallel coordinates. So this the parallel, that means graph between standard deviation and features. This is for decision tree. So here I can, there are several kind of decision trees is there. You can select that one. So and then I'm comes to support vector machine. I'm going to use find Gaussian support vector vision to train the SVM alone. I'm going to select that means I'm going to do only for this one. So just to select this one and then comes to here and then click train selected. Once you click this one, right here also you will get that 100% accuracy. You can select a different model and then you can check the confusion matrix and ROC of that particular machine learning. Next I'm going to select this narrow neural network, and then I'm going to train that one. Here also you will see that variation. Now I'm going for another thing, that mean here that target I'm fixing is only, target will be only one. If suppose I'm going to change the target equal to, that means there are 4 target. For example, target equal to, for example, target which is equal to test d data 1 is to 4. Here you will see the target. We have that to 4 target. If suppose we have that we have 4 target, whether it is possible to train that classification liner in the MATLAB, we'll check that one whether it is possible or not. Again, I'm going for a from workspace and I'm selecting the data, input data, and here I'm going to select the. Here you can see that you can classify only one element of target. You cannot classify more than one element. If suppose you use row as variable and from workspace, here also you cannot, you're not able to select the target variable. In this classification ladder, you can able to do only classify only one target. You have a set of target value for different data set, and then you can classify. This is a way of using that classification in the machine learning app or machine learning tool set in the MATLAB. So thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.